Hello, welcome to a video that's going to show you how to install my history generator simulator. I'll have another video up about what it actually is, and a link to this forum topic will be in the description of this video to show you, so you can read about what this program actually is. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to install it because I want this video to be, valid forever, at least forever enough. So anyway, you go to the download link, go here, you download this file. You go find it. You just extract it wherever you want it to be. I don't know. Yeah, I already did this, so I just need to. Okay, so now you have this folder called History Generator. It doesn't matter where you put it, but wherever you put it, just open the folder. You see all these files in here. You can't actually, just double-click on one of these and have it run. I'm going to show you how to run it, but first, to run it, you need Python. If you're on a Mac, you already have Python. Most Linux distributions already have Python. If you're on a Windows computer and you don't have Python, you need to install it. And also, you should note this needs to be Python 2.7, not Python 3. If you already have Python 2.7 installed, then you can click the annotation and skip to the part where I tell you how to actually run the program. But if you don't, keep watching. So go to python.org, go to Downloads. You want Python 2.7.11 or whatever the newest one is. This is the newest one because it's December 5th, which is, pretty recent. Click here. Okay, so if you're on a Mac, you really shouldn't have to do this, but, if you do, just choose the one that's appropriate for your Mac version. If you're on Windows, then if you have a 64-bit installation, you want this one, and if you don't, you want this one. It's an installer, so I'm not going to go through it for you because I already have Python installed on my computer, but it's an installer, so it's pretty self-explanatory. At any rate, now what you want to do is you want to go to your Start menu or do Windows R, hit type CMD and hit Enter, and it'll open up this window. Yours will probably look slightly different, but it'll look more or less like this. And then all you have to do is you type Python space, then go to wherever your history generator folder is, drag the folder called file called history_generator over to here, and hit Enter. And then it will open up this program, or these two windows. This window lets you control how the game, or it's not a game, how the simulation runs, and this one lets you watch it. So if you click Advanced Step, it'll go forwards 1 month. If you click Run Continuously, it'll just keep going. This simulation speed is the number of milliseconds between each step when you hit Run Continuously. If you make this 10, it'll go pretty fast. If you make this 1,000, then it will wait 1 second between each step, which is pretty slow, but whatever your preference is, you can change it. The default is 300, but whatever works for you. And that's it if you just want to run the program. However, there's a couple more things I'm going to show you that you can do with this program to change some settings, but you don't need to know any of it. So, let's just close down those windows. Okay, so if you want to change the width of the window, you put a space after this and then type width equals, with no spaces, whatever number of pixels you want the screen, how wide you want it to be. So see, this is at 1500. My screen is 1900 wide, so 1900. So make it 1900 goes all the way. Obviously, it'll be slower the larger it is because there's more to do. You can change the height in the same way. You can change both. So if I want to make the width 1200 and the height 800, I can change this. See, it's a different size. You can also change the size of the tiles. If you want to do that, all you have to do is you type size equals whatever you want it to be. Let's say I want to make it 10 pixels. Now you can see the tiles are much larger. You can make it, anything and it works. So those are the settings you can change. You can put these in any order you want to. So that's that. And now if you want even more in-depth settings changing, you can open these files. If you don't have a text, or if you don't have an actual code editor, you can edit it with the normal notepad, but assuming you do, you can open this up and you can change a bunch of different number. I guess this wasn't the best example. If you go to this one, for example, you can change a bunch of different numbers. You can change population capacities, food productions, morale stuff. None of these things are really things that you have to change, but if you want, you can change these. I won't explain what they are because that's not really what this video is for. But that's how you change any and all settings. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.